Here's my 1965 CL-77, otherwise known as 305 Scrambler. This is the first year this bike has been 100% restored back to new condition. Everything just shines, a chrome, perfect tank, seat. I'll just let the pictures do the talking here. All the details are there. Top end, bottom end, clutch, bearings, just restored back to new condition. It runs just like a new bike. Everything's been replaced. It needs to be replaced or with new old stock. So it's a trophy winner for sure. Give it a little kick. A little cold start video, as they say on Bring a Trailer. No choke. It's hot enough out that even the cold-blooded are hot. Might have it idling a tad bit too high, but that's easily adjusted. Like right there. That's better already. There we go. See in there, it's clean.